Are you faced with one or more of these problems? Cold floors, air infiltration, a cold dryer, a clattering air valve, stove blades that are also cold? If yes, Industrial Supply's Constant Airflow has the solution to resolve these problems. It's their new air valves and industrial joints. After several years of research into air infiltration problems, Mr. Claude Paquette came up with an ingenious energy system, the most efficient system on the market today. Laboratory tested, the self-closing air valves and universal joints are produced here in Rougemont, Quebec by Constant Airflow. Carefully manufactured with prime quality materials, the self-closing air valve and universal joints are guaranteed energy savers. The universal self-closing air valve can be installed quickly with little effort. You simply remove the old broken air outlet and then insert the air valve into the existing air duct at about 5 inches from the opening. Once the valve well in place, install the new air outlet, making sure that it is pushed up against the wall. Then complete the installation by severing in the new outlet and sealing the joint with caulk-link. And there, it's finished. The self-closing air valve is available in several sizes, thereby adapted to your needs. Furthermore, a model with a universal joint is available for new constructions, so not to hinder the masonry work. You can trust your new self-closing air valves and universal joints since they received the first prize at the Design Forum awarded by the Corporation des Maîtres Mécaniciens en Tuyauterie du Québec at Mécanexpo CIFEX, and furthermore, they received an honorable mention by the Ordre des Ingénieurs du Québec. They respond to the strict laboratory norms Air INS of Varennes. With the self-closing air valves and universal joints, you can say goodbye to air infiltration and air exfiltration. When planning your construction and renovation projects, you know you can rely on these valves and joints. With all your warm air retained, it's economical. Universal self-closing air valve and universal joint available at your local wholesaler or hardware store.